Welcome to the Tantra Kiss Connection Meditation. So when we go through this practice, if you don't have a partner at home, it's okay. You're basically going to imagine that you have a partner and kind of visualize going through these exercises with that partner of your choice, and you'll hold that as a visualization. But I'm going to be doing this practice here with Lily. and so it's a very simple practice, the Kiss Connection method. And the K stands for kinetic. So again, Tantra is all about getting out of your head and into your body and awakening through the 5 senses and being more present. The I in the Kiss meditation stands for intimacy. So that intimacy that I think we're all really craving on some level, but we've kind of gone into that fear state where we're afraid to be vulnerable, to be open, to be intimate, to be naked and be seen in any moment. The first S in the Kiss meditation stands for sensuality. So this is awakening and giving yourself permission to kind of be sensual, to slow everything down. And that's what the second S in Kiss stands for, is slowing down so you can be more present. So we're going to go through this meditation together. And again, if you're alone, just visualize a partner. If you have a partner, then you'll be practicing together. Now there's 3 points of connection that we're going to practice, and the first point of connection is the hand-to-heart connection. So I'm going to take my hand and place it on her heart. She'll put her hand on my heart. And maybe before we do anything else, just take a few breaths, because this touch at the heart actually opens the heart chakra, and in a very scientific way, what that means is that it starts to release oxytocin, which is the love and bonding hormone. So simply having touch at your heart means you start to produce this oxytocin, love and bonding hormone in your body, and you start to think more positive and happy thoughts. So placing our hands over each other's hands really forms a seal and locks in this energy of connecting at your hearts and really giving and receiving this oxytocin. And so every time you inhale, I want you to do the second practice of connection, which is connecting at your breath. So first connection, hand to heart, we've established that. Now we're going to move to the second connection, breathing at the same time. So inhale and exhale together. Good, and so inhale, and you can even count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhaling together for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhaling together for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. So keep breathing at the same time. Now the breath you're doing is that bliss breath. And the bliss breath is that slight constriction at the back of your throat, so you hear a whispering sound, this kind of sensual whispering sound at the back of your throat. I like to call it the sexy Darth Vader sometimes, but you should really hear your breath, and you should be able to hear your partner's breath. If you can't hear each other's breath, then turn up the volume of your breathing. Your breath really becomes like this hypnotic music that you're listening to, and helps you get out of your head and into your body by using that sense of hearing. I'm hearing the breath. I'm feeling my lungs expand. So now we're going to move to the third point of connection. So you're going to hold the first point of connection, hand to heart, feel that heart energy exchanging, and we're breathing at the same time. Every inhale, you're receiving energy from your partner. So really feel inhale, receive that energy from your partner, and exhale, giving that energy back to your partner. Inhale, receiving. Feel your heart opening, your lungs expanding. Feel that blissful energy. Exhale. Sending energy back. With every inhale, I receive. And with every exhale, I give back. So this will help you to have that intimacy around your heart. When it gets scary to be vulnerable, scary to receive, you have to really let go of control. I can't control anyone else, but I can control my ability to just relax, receive, open your heart to that other person and their energy, and exhale, giving back and letting go of expectations. That's a really important part of this. As I inhale, I receive. I open my heart and I exhale, giving back and letting go of any expectations. Just being present in this moment for this connection without all the fear of the past or the future, just being present through the body. Tantra is awakening through the senses and feeling your body. And so now is the eye connection. So go ahead and if you can, you're just going to hold the eye connection. This is a little special technique and it's diffused field of vision. So as you look into your partner's eyes, you also look at the whole room around them, which softens the gaze. So you're looking directly into your partner's eyes as well as seeing the whole room. Every inhale together, every exhale together. Softening that gaze. The eyes are the windows to the soul. So just imagine, just being very present, naked in the moment. Let yourself see and be seen. We even have a taboo of really not letting people see us. We're not taking the time to really look into someone's eyes and into their energy. And keep inhaling together and exhale. Inhaling. Exhale. And even feel that you're giving and receiving energy at your eyes. So inhale, receiving that gaze, the energy from your partner's eyes, and exhale, sending them energy back. Inhale, I receive. And exhale, I let go, giving back without expectations. Inhale, receive. And exhale, giving back, letting go of expectations. Go to just 3 more breaths together. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. So I just like to end the practice. We just bow to each other, and namaste actually means that very pure place in me bows to that very pure place in you. And in that moment, everything else is gone. Just that feeling of connection and bliss. So that's the kiss connection practiced on this level, which is the friend and family level and the love level. Later on in the course, I'll be teaching you how to practice it on the erotic level. But I want you to keep repeating this video and notice that every time you repeat the video, it's a different experience. They always say you can't put your hand in the same river twice. So really every day when I do this practice, I notice different things about myself, or if it's with the same person or a different person. Really just being present means every moment is like a fresh new moment. And what most of us are doing is walking around with we're just locked in our left brain saying everything's going to be like the past. And so we have fear of abandonment, fear of being hurt. That's what keeps us from being able to have that intimacy that we can experience through the kiss meditation. But by being in the body and practicing this, you go out of that left brain state of fear of the past and moving into this present moment where anything is possible. Anything. So thank you, Lily.
Thank you so much.
And thank you, everybody.